Hi, this is Kevin with KGMJAM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com, join for free today, and start advertising for free. Okay, I was able to get back in the queue. There was only a few thousand left. I didn't think I'd get in, but I did. So I'm going to go ahead and open them here. So this is pack number 3. And I guess the color thing, like all day, is not the same over here. I thought it might be. Okay, we got Dennis Smith Jr. That's a common. Decent mint. Kenyon Martin. And here we got a common. This is a layup. Gary Harris. Orlando Magic. And this is Tyrese Maxey for the Phils. I think he was an up-and-coming star in the last pack, or the pack before that. Okay, let's open the next pack. It's the last one because they're all sold out. And I don't know how many drops they're going to have for the All-Star packs. This might be it. Okay. Oh, that's a nice mint. Frank Jackson, 250. Nice. Anything below 1,000 is great. This is a common also. Rui Hachurmadunk. I hope I pronounced that right. If I didn't, I apologize. Okay, 2 more. It's a common 15. Ayo Desunmu. And this is a All-Star Rising. Fantastic. And the Chicago Bulls. Okay, this pays for all my packs right there. And the last one. That's a common. It's a block. Miles Bridges. Let's go look up here and see what this is. Plays from player's rookie season. Okay. Play was minted during player's rookie season. Which, okay, I don't know what the designation, what that means, but okay, there it is. Thank you for watching and have a nice day or nice evening.